Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mercy Tiara kits, and I am working with the July 2024 Sunshine Sketch Challenge. Let's see, is there anything else to tell you? Guys, I'm just so excited. So this is the Summer Lovin kit that I'm working with. It is full of Echo Park goodies. We've got some Vicky Boutin, simple stories, just we have got the cutest little confetti mix. Y'all, decorative brads, enough said. Okay, I get very excited about decorative brads is what I've learned. So what I was gonna show you is every month there is a sketch challenge, right? And there's a randomly drawn prize for 25 Canadian dollar gift card to the Mercy Tiara Kit store. And guys, what an easy, fun, versatile sketch to use. You can use it with any collection. It's going to be great. So I thought, oh, but wait. See how we have this big, giant rectangle? I've got a big, giant rectangle. What? We got 3 of these chipboard frames, and this one is super fun. Love it. So I thought I'd start by getting the branding strip off of a piece of white cardstock. It is from Basil, and it is Avalanche. So we have that. Ta-da, look, I'm practically done. So in this sketch, there are 2 big blocks, right? And that's what I was gonna look at next with you guys. We gotta figure out what we wanna do with the 2 big blocks. I also should show you my photo. This is a photo from 2019, and it's a big old photo of my youngest on her Aunt Amy's dock. Also her godmother, however you think. But yes, very typical Michigan lake. We are so lakey here. So actually, I think there's something like you can't go drive more than 20 minutes without hitting a lake, something like that. Anywho, I thought that would be perfect. So that's what we're gonna have for that big thing in the middle. There's not a lot of color aside from, really blue, but see how there's those clouds? Should I use the clouds? Look at how dramatic the clouds are above. Maybe I'll use the clouds for that top piece. Seriously, did you guys take the sketch? Oh, here it is. So maybe the clouds for that piece would be really fun, actually. But, it's not fun. That's not enough contrast. Drat. Okay, that was gonna be fun and super easy, but here we are. Let me go ahead and put this piece on the top because that's one that I would probably fussy cut. It's just what I do. That I'll end up fussy cutting because I can't help myself. I love this orange, so that's a big contender. You guys, these are hilarious. I could do orange on the top and this with this busting across. Sure, it works for me because it's fun. It's just so fun. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna do it off camera. My papers went flying. I'm going to cut those pieces out. Now, when I look at this, it looks like the main sheet should be cut like 10 by 10, and then you cut across. I tell you I'm going to do it like not with you, but I thought I'd show you my thinking. Is it 10 by 10, or should we do 10 and a half? Let's do 10 and a half by 10 and a half. Want to know why? Because we can always go down. That's why. 10 and a half, 10 and a half. And then I will cut a nice little diagonal. I'll do the same thing with the Happy Daisies paper. I'll get it slapped onto the white cardstock, and I'll meet you right back. So I've got the back pieces on, guys. Let me tell you what I did. I didn't even realize when I was cutting these that, I was just using the front and back. Yep, cut through 2 sheets like a Nimrod. Okay. What I'm doing now, and this is tacked down, the background's tacked down as well as the frame. I just stuck the photo to the back of the frame with some washi. I always keep a roll, I call it my ugly washi, which is not very nice. It's just a roll of washi that I know I don't want to use on projects. I always keep one, like up on my pegboard that I can reach, and then I just use it for all kinds of odd jobs. It's great. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to decide what I want to put up and around it. There are so many things I want to use. It's a funny thing, but I love, love, love this color palette. So I'm looking at all the florals, kind of making some decisions with it. Ooh. And this part right here, there's really not a whole lot sitting there. So I was like, do I put something there? I don't know. I'm deciding what I want to do. Oh, see, I don't know, guys. What do I want to use? All right, so that's the Have a Nice Day. This is Sunny Days Ahead. I was looking at all of the color families because there's lots of gorgeousness going on. All right, give me a second. I'm going to figure out what I want to put around in my clusters and we'll get this put together. So I ended up flipping my colors because I want to have my title down here. And this was just a bit too bold for me to be able to really get much traction with that. So I think this is going to be a very simple title with Lakeside. It's also known as Lakey, this particular location, but you know, not everybody would understand why. Actually, I don't understand why. That's just what they call it. Anywho, so we're going to have Lakeside for my title. And now I do have other alphas. I don't know if I'm doing secondary title with this one or not. Just have to see what I'm going to do for embellishments. So I have Lakeside. We have I Heart Summer. Now I've got my confetti mix on standby. I love that. I love all of the things. I mean, I've got Getaway. That's so pretty. Oh, I love these things. I love it. Where's my big scissors? And I have no reason right now to be pulling anything for brads, but I love them and I want to put them on. So I want to definitely make sure to be able to grab out whichever ones I'm going to use. So I've got this one I want to use, Flip Flops Paradise. That is perfect. And that's pretty close. All right, I'm going to have 3 big ones. They're going to almost read like they're brads. That would be great. This little chipboard piece for Lakeside. Love it, love it, love it. And I've still got these little pieces here. Guys, there's so many ways we can go with this. So now let's find our sketcheroo. Where does it keep going? I literally just had it again. Okay, I know, like, seriously, guys, somebody took it again, magically, and put it in an orderly fashion right here. Okay, so we're gonna have our title, and then there's a bit of a fun visual triangle. Okay, we can totally do that. I don't know if I'm using this yet or not. I just liked it. And the title on this piece does come out a little bit past the frame. Sweet. So I think I'm going to put my title down nice and neat. I was just pulling the letters really quickly, but you don't want to let them sit there too long because they start feeling fancy and they take up residence. Yes, they do. They think they have it going on if you don't try to control the situation. I'm going to put this on tidily. There we go. Now, I know I want florals. I know I want beachy things. The smiley faces are so perfect for this situation, especially the way my daughter was at this age. Because it was it was 2019. So, you know, reminds me of her during that time in her life. Okay. Come on, nice and slow. There we go. So we've got Lakeside. I've got a geo tag. Happy with that. I do want to make sure I use lots of our confetti mix because that was one of my very favorite things this month, like for reals. Now, we've got some pieces down here that are interesting. So that might be something where I can look in all of these stickery pieces. Staying Sunny. Oh, that is cute. That might be kind of cute right there since we have to kind of do with the visual triangle. Summer Tracker. Ooh, this is cute too. We could layer kind of like this. Nothing But Blue Sky. That's super cute up there. It's tone on tone. Actually, we would go that way since we're trying to triangulate the situation. Easy Breezy. Why do I keep finding these aqua colored things? Today was just perfect. Ugh. These pieces are gorgeous. Okay. Lakeside Summer is kind of cute for a title. Sunshine and Kisses. I don't know if I'm using those or not. I just like everything, so I'm having a problem with the, like, not choosing everything. But that's okay. I can choose everything if I want. Every single thing. So, Lakeside Summer Days is actually an adorable title. So, what if I do that? Have this days word as part of that situation. And this looks like little watermelon seeds. It's so cute. So the title becomes kind of big. So I want to find some things to bolster up here. I'm going to take away easy breezy because I'm trying to go boop, boop, boop. I'm trying to keep like a thing going on right here. So I do like the idea of a tab or two, even though they don't make sense, because I don't know. I was going to say it doesn't make sense because I don't really have a thing that I'm tucking them into. Now, if I did that, I could do that, and that's really cute. Okay, that's happening. See, process of elimination. You put this in, you take that away. All right, let me work on this for a little bit because I know it's kind of, you know, me just faffing around. And guys, I'll come back and pretty much this is going to be done. It's just because it is, oh, look at the puffy, because it's so stinking cute. I think the puffy needs, maybe. Oh, I love all these things. Okay, let me faff around a little bit with my embellishments. I'm going to pop some of them up and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I have got all of those pieces on that I was piling. Not that one. I should, oh, and not that one. There we go. I should decide if I want this heart on there. I'm trying to decide. I think I do. Let's see if I can use, oh, it's going on great. This kind of adhesive is making it go on great. And that's giving me a nice little bit of shadow. Perfect. All right, so here, I feel like I have olives on my fingers. Maybe you guys didn't do that. Anywho, I have a geotag there. Let's go ahead. Also tuck one right here. So I have a little something underneath the heart. That's fun, you know, aside from 48 flowers. This one reads Flip Flops Paradise. And then this one is just this gorgeous kind of silhouette. So which one do I want to put? Which one? Maybe like that. A little tuck in those flowers. And then that means this one, do we get to have a third one? Maybe we don't get to have a third one. Maybe we should have a smaller one. Where, you guys, people keep taking things. And by people, I mean, I have no idea who, since I'm the only one in here. So I'm looking for a smaller one. That's right there. The word sun is okay. Oh, but there's this cute little, let's see, look at that little flower. So let's go ahead and just tuck that in. No big deal. So we've got this going on. I am pretty yippy skippy with the way it looks. Let me move some of my stuff out of the way because I do better when, you know, not everything's just right in my eye line. It gets like messy or confusing or something. Okay, so we have that. What do you guys think? I know I need the confetti pieces. Let me get that glare out of there. I know I need my confetti goodies. Just deciding, like, is it bunchy enough? Because, you know, those are words. And it actually, oh my Lanta, guys, look at, it actually looks like the sketch. Who knew? Okay, I'm just going to pop some confetti on. Is there anything else to tell you guys? I don't think so. I'm going to have all the links down below where you can get your hands on the kits. And guys, this literally just needs a little bit of confetti. I'm also going to put some of these little beautiful bits down. I'm going to, you know, put 3 in each cluster because I love them so much. I don't need them at all, but I just love them. So if I went like that, I'd have a nice little visual triangle there. I'll do 2 here, 2 there, some confetti on. I'll come back, show you the finished layout. It's going to be swell. So guys, it's so funny. Like the sequin mix has all kinds of goodies. I ended up loving these itty bitty tiny iridescent little floral bits, and I needed them in every cluster. So that's what we have going on there. So fun, easy, easy, easy to use sketch. I'll have all the links down below where you can get your hands on these kits. Come over, join us in the Facebook group. Join in on the sketch challenge because y'all, $25 for a gift certificate to Mercy Tiara Kit store is fabulous. Okay, is there anything else? I don't think so. I'm going to keep creating the day away using my cute little new kit, my Summer Lovin' kit. And I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.